Higher level. హలో శ్రీరామ్.
నమస్కారం అండి.
నమస్కారం అండి.
శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం.
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 ఓం శుక్లాంబరధరం విష్ణుం శశివర్ణం చతుర్భుజం
శుక్లాంబరధరం విష్ణుం శశివర్ణం చతుర్భుజం
ప్రసన్నవదనం ధ్యాయేత్ సర్వవిఘ్నోపశాంతయే.
ప్రసన్నవదనం ధ్యాయేత్ సర్వవిఘ్నోపశాంతయేత్.
అగజానన పద్మార్కం గజాననమహర్నిశం
అగజానన పద్మార్కం గజానన మహర్నిశం
అనేకదం తం భక్తానాం
అనేకదంతం భక్తానాం
ఏకదంతం ఉపాస్మహే.
ఏకదంతం ఉపాస్మహే.
జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం
జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం
నిర్మలస్ఫటికాకృతిం
నిర్మలస్ఫటికాకృతిం
ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం
ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం
హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే.
హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే.
కృష్ణం కమలపత్రాక్షం
కృష్ణం కమలపత్రాక్షం
పుణ్యశ్రవణకీర్తనం
పుణ్యశ్రవణకీర్తనం
వాసుదేవం జగద్యోనిం
వాసుదేవం జగద్యోనిం
నౌమి నారాయణం హరిం.
నౌమి నారాయణం హరిం.
నౌమి నారాయణం హరిం.
నౌమి నారాయణం హరిం.
నమస్తుంగశిరశ్చుంబీ
నమస్తుంగశిరశ్చుంబీ
శిరశ్చుంబి చంద్రచామరచారవే.
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 త్రైలోక్యనగరారంభ
త్రైలోక్యనగరారంభా
మూలస్తంభాయ శంభవే.
మూలస్తంభాయ శంభవే.
వాహనం వృషభో యస్య
వాహనం వృషభో యస్య
వాసుకిః కంఠభూషణం
వాసుకి కంఠభూషణం
వామే శక్తిధరం వందే.
స్వామే శక్తిధరం వందే.
వకారాయ నమో నమః.
కారాయ నమో నమః.
Now it's recite the first slokam, Mangala slokam of the Shivananda Lahari. Kalabhyam Chudalankruta Shashikalabhyam
కళాభ్యాం చూడాలంకృత శశికళాభ్యాం
Nijatapaphalabhyam
నిజతపఃఫలాభ్యాం
Bhakteshu Prakatita Phalabhyam
భక్తేషు ప్రకటిత ఫలాభ్యాం
Bhavatu me.
భవతు మే.
Shivabhyamastoka Tribhuvana
శివాభ్యాం అస్తోక త్రిభువన
Shivabhyam Hrudi Punaha
శివాభ్యాం హృది పునః
భవాభ్యాం ఆనందస్ఫురదనుభవాభ్యాం
భవాభ్యాం ఆనందస్ఫురతు అనుభవాభ్యాం
నతిర్యం
నతిరియం
నతిర్యం.
నతిరియం.
సో ఇయం నతి. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై హంబుల్ సబ్మిషన్ టు యూ పరమాత్మ అండ్ పరమేశ్వరి, because you are equally potential to bless all devotees. So Parvati can bless independently, Shiva can bless the devotees independently. So there is love, there is a equal matching between both, and that is the best Dampatya Jivana, Dampatya, I marked idle, that both are efficiently powerful. Now we have been trying to know about Navabada Bhaktis, and in 35th stanza, we have come up to 35th. What's happening is
We have completed 36th andi.
36, okay?
అయిపోయిందండి 37 స్టార్ట్ చేసాం లాస్ట్ టైం
We just started 37th.
Okay. Now 35 only, in 35, just I want to revise, just say for sake of continuation, Shankaracharya is our guru. He is talking about Shambho Tvam Paramantaranga iti me chitte smarami anvaham. So Paramantaranga me. See, there is Antaranga, that is Ranga, is the entertainment or activity place. And there is something more deeper inside us, where at the maximum spirituality could be stationed. So that Paramantaranga, whatever that is operative force deep inside my heart, is you. But I know that you are that, but I keep continuously remembering you, because you are a Sarvajna, you are a Kripanidhi, and then you know what are my intentions. See, innermost mind is one where there will be a number of desires which could not be expressed, which did not get expressed. But them, that is what is called Chitta Vritti and Chitta Vyavahara, Chitta Sankalpaha, and all that. So that Anta Paramantaranga is Paramatma, and he will be that. See, Sarvajnasya Dayakarasya Bhavataha Kim Veditavyam Maya. Now, what more is there? I should want to know about it, because you are Yogakshema Durandhara. You are a Durandhara, finding out the yoga and Kshema of all people, and Sakala Sreya, Pradyota Yogin, Drishta Drishtavato, Upadeshakrutino, Bhashyantara Vyapinaha, Sarvajnasya Dayakarasya Kim Vedam Maya. So, you are one who can get all my Purusharthas completely fulfilled, and you are having the Apara Karuna. I don't want to know more and more about, but you are the operative force for my Antarangas, and so I keep on remembering you every day, every time. Not why? Because I want to get hold of the Ananda. That is called, whichever Ananda that we get is Shiva Ananda. It is a peace providing bliss, because Ananda is Sukha, and we have noted in Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavata or elsewhere too, that what Ananda generally we are having is temporary, and it is also a source for Dukkha. But what we want is Shiva Ananda, meaning that kind of Ananda which we experience in our own inner heart must bring us the happiness and peace and tranquility. For that, there won't be any kind of yearning or coveting. That means our mind will be totally, fully satisfied. Now we go to the next one. Please repeat. Bhakto Bhakti Gunavrute.
Bhakto Bhakti Gunavrute. Bhakto Bhakti Gunavrute.
Mudamruta Purne Prasanne Manaha.
Mudamruta Purne Prasanne Manaha. Mudamruta Purne Prasanne Manaha.
Kumbhe Samba Tavangri Pallava Yugam.
Kumbhe Samba Tavagni Pallava Yugam. कुम्भे साम्ब तवाग्निपल्लवयुगम्
Tava angry. Padagal.
तवाङ्घ्रि तवाङ्घ्रि पल्लवयुगम्
Samstapya sambit phalam.
संस्थाप्य संवित्फलम् संस्थाप्य संवित्फलम्
Sattvam.
सत्वम् सत्वम्
Mantramudirayan nija sariragat.
मन्त्रम् उदीरयन् निज शरीरागात् मन्त्रम् उदीरयन् निज शरीरात्
Shariragara suddhim vahan.
शरीरागार शुद्धिं वहन् शरीरागार शुद्धिं वहन्
Punyaham prakatikaromi ruchiram.
पुण्याहं प्रकटीकरोमि रुचिरम् पुण्याहं प्रकटीकरोमि रुचिरम्
Kalyanamapadayan.
कल्याणम् आपादयन् कल्याणम् आपादयन्
So here for any suddhi, punyavachana is an important rite. So after punyavachana only, many satkaryas are being conducted, which are all directed. Therefore, here also, I am going to declare and perform punyaham prakatikaromi. Why I just go through that punya karma? Because kalyanam apadayan. So that particular rite which will keep on the kalyana parampara or punya pravaha into our portals. But what is the ingredients of that? Bhakti gunavrute bhakta. So all these bhaktas, devotees, they will keep the bhakti as a thread. And mudavruta purne prasanne manaha. Then they will have a prasanna manas, pleasant mind, because of the mudamruta. Is all rupaka. Mudeva amrutam, mudamrutam. Muda is the happiness, the ecstasy of joy, the positivity and all that is muda. That muda is taken as amruta. Mudamrute. And not simply empty, but it is purna. It is completely full. So it should be purna ta amruta purna. When that samtosha is getting filled in us, then the mind will become prasanna, pleasant, calm, quiet, tranquil. And so that will be this pickup of the manas. With that manas, and for punya vachana we require kalasha, that is what kumbha. Then in that some pallavas have got to be placed, leaves, mango leaves or so. So tavangri pallava yugam. So I take your angri pada taken as a pallava or this, the leaves of the mango, and I place them. And Sattvam mantra mudirayan. And I will be uttering all the mantras, because no offering should go without the mantra utterance. And Nija Sariragara. So by doing like that, what is that I am expecting to happen? Our Sarira is an agara. Agara means house, residential quarters. So in this agara, in this house, I want to hold on to the Suddhi. The Suddhi Karana. Because the Suddhi Karana is very important for most of the three caste people, because they get defiled. Why the kind of defilement comes? Because The speech is not good, the mind is not good. Looking at other fellows growing well, the person keeps on lamenting and seeing that I could have got the chance, I did not get the chance, like that. Therefore, there is that kind of, but what is the advice is, Udirayan Nija Sariragara Suddhim Vahan. So Nija Sarira Agara, because our body is taken to be the Paramatma's body, or Agni Sarira it is. Therefore, when you talk about the Agni Sutra mantras, not very long before, immediately we get references to the Agni, because Agni Kalpaha, Devaha, mostly all the gods are having that kind of behavior of excellence of Agni, quite bold, but burning, by destroying. So, Nija Sarira Agara Suddhim Vahan, I will be carrying the Agara Suddhi, that is a pitcher with water and other admixture of other material and dustbin material, etc. All that he will go and take out. And so Nija Sarira Agara Suddhim Vahan. So then when you do all that, Suddhi is acquired for the boys. And the boys are very delicate. And so whatever you want, that Abhavitra Pavitrova Sarvavasthangatopeva, like that we say the mantra. And Saha Bahihi Abhyantarataha Suchi. Anybody who recites this particular mantra for a number of times, he would be relieved of very tasty, Gambhira, tasty, full manda, Gambhira, second word, what happened? I don't know. So anyway, because you are embodiment of many gods put together in Kasi, in other places, if you go, you will see important gods and goddesses. For example, in Annapurna temple at Horanadu, you will see that this, the Naivedya offered to people who come is simply different. Therefore, Nija Sariragara Suddhim Vahan. And moreover, you cannot simply silently pour down the offerings, but you should address. This is the forward advice for Dhritarashtra, for Duryodhana. All these people begin with the word Du, Dushasana, Durmukha, like that. Here also we have got we know about the bhakti, how ultimately it goes to. Bhakti is good. Then Sattvam mantra mudirayan niyasara agara suddhim vahan. Whatever be that, there is agara suddhi, there is enclosures suddhi. Therefore, and what is it agara? Nija sarira agara suddhim. Nija sarira is the sarira that taken in quick hurry. So, Nija sarira agara suddhim vahan. So, agara suddhi, how best I can get it done? Through the Abhisheka Jala and making namaskar for the deity. Now, we'll go to the next verse. I think we understood all words here. That Prakati Karove Ruchirang Kalyanam Apalayan. Ruchirang Kalyana, that means whatever dress, taste of that mouth wash, that also. So, Udirayan, Nirasarirat, Agara, Punyaham, Prakati Karomi, Ruchirang Kalyanam Apadayan. Why this Punya was not done? Because they wanted to add to the Kalyana Parampara, so that the body becomes very much important, and that is almost the concluding part of the day. Now we go to the next one. Bhaktaha Bhakti Guna Vrute मुदमृता पूर्णे प्रसन्ने मनः. Did you recite, Amma? I don't remember.
లేదండి 37th ఆమ్నాయాం బుద్ధిదం 37th కదా
37 చేయాలండి. నాయాం బుద్ధి
Amna, please repeat. Amnayam budhimadarena.
ఆమ్నాయాం బుద్ధిం ఆదరేణ ఆమ్నాయాం బుద్ధిం ఆదరేణ
Sumanas sangha.
సుమనః సంఘాః
Samudyanmano.
సముద్యన్మనో
Asthanam dృఢభక్తిరద్వైతం.
అస్థానం దృఢభక్తి రజుసహితం
కృత్వా మథిత్వా తతః.
కృత్వా మధిత్వా తతః
సోమం కల్పతరుం.
సోమం కల్పతరుం
సోమం కల్ప సుపర్వ సురభిం.
సుపర్వసురభిం
చింతామణిం ధీమతాం.
చింతామణిం ధీమతాం
నిత్యానందసుధాం.
నిత్యానందసుధాం నిరంతర
రమా సౌభాగ్యమాతన్వతే.
రమా సౌభాగ్యం ఆతన్వతే
So this is also very beautiful sloka, and referring to the Samudra Mathana, because Shivananda Shankararya is very much familiar with all kinds of scriptures which our religion has, also other religions. Otherwise, that's why he was able to drive away all those Veda Bahya religions, heterogeneous religions, and that was very much crowding. Then like that, Amnaya Ambudhim Adarena Sumanasangha Samudyanmanaha. So with Udyama, with the spirit of enthusiasm, Sumana Sangha, Sumana is Devatas, gods. So Suparvana, Sumanasaha, that is there are Surya Bhagavan names. Sanghaha, that is there are many sanghas who respect Surya Bhagavan, who desire to get benefits from them. Therefore, they are called Sumana Sangha. So there is no controversy at all. Anybody can become a member and be benefited with the sports there. So here, Sumana Sangha, Samudyan Manomasthānam Drudabhaktirajju Sahitam Krutva Mathrita Tapaha. Really, Chapama Amnayam Budhimadarena.
ఆమ్నాయాంబుదిం ఆదరేణ
Sumanas Sangha.
సుమనః సంఘాః
Samudyan Manomasthānam
సముద్యన్మనోమంథానం
Drudabhaktirajju Sahitam Krutva
దృఢభక్తిరజ్జు సహితం కృత్వా
Mathitva Tataha
మధిత్వా తతః
Somam Kalpatarum
సోమం కల్పతరుం
Chintāmanim Dhīmatāṃ Suparva Surabhim
सुपर्वसुरभिं चिन्तामणि धीमताम् सुपर्वसुरभिं चिन्तामणि धीमताम्
चिन्तामणिं धीमताम्
चिन्तामणिं धीमताम् चिन्तामणिं धीमताम्
नित्यानन्दसुधाम्
नित्यानन्दसुधाम् नित्यानन्दसुधाम्
निरन्तर रमा सौभाग्यमासन्वते
निरन्तर रमा सौभाग्यम् आतन्वते निरन्तर रमा सौभाग्यम् आतन्वते
ब्यूटिफुल Ambudhi. Ambudhi is the ocean. Ambu means water. Dhi is Dharishattu. So a nation is called as Ambudhi. And what is that metaphorically attribute? Amnaya. Amnaya akhyataha. Amnaya in scriptures, the Vedas. So all the Vedas have been taken as Adarena with all regard and respect. That is what is Samudra? Veda is Samudra. We got Veda Samudra. There is no station, I think, by its name Veda. But Veda is an ocean, is a stream. And Sumanas Sangha, Samudjanmano Dusasthanam, Dudabhakti Rajju Sahitam. It must still be one tied up to the post. That's why it is said that you cannot give absolute freedom for the animal baby, though they may be liked by you, they may make a wonderful service to you. But others are apart, and we should not have Nitya Santosha, Alpa Santosha by worshipping one or the other goddesses like this. So that is going to describe. And moreover, if to hold umbrella, you should have a stick. Otherwise, the umbrella won't be much helpful. Only 50% happiness is there if you were to recite the sloka, because it is there. The mind will have something wanting, and that could be. So, next, Sumana Sangha. Sumana Sangha means Deva Sangha. Suparvana, Sumanasaha, Triveshadhya. So like that, the Amarakosha, Amarsimha, also a very powerful commentator of Saundara Lahari, Shivananda Lahari, and so on. But now, when we are sitting in the Veda class, we should study only the Veda division. Therefore, Asthanam Krunimam Bhakti Rajju Sahitam Kutva Matnitatma Kataha. So, Kataha, how it possible that we had to control our tongue or mathu and Karmadaram, Marpadaram, Bande, and again then Sumana Sanghaha, the Deva Sanghaha, that is better people who have belief in God, who follow the rites, religious rites to please the gods and so on. Therefore, Sumana Sangha, not 1, 2, 3 people, a group of people, several groups of people are there who just recite the Stotra, then other things. That's why here, Samudjan Mano Asthanam Drudabhakti Rajju Sahitam. So Drudabhakti, again it's a metaphorical thing. Bhakti, Rajasu, both are there, Asthanam. But because of the interference by Rudra, all the three became absolutely normal. So again repeat, Amnayam Buddhi Madarena.
Amnayam buddhim adarena Amnayam buddhim adarena
सुमनः संघा समुज्जन्मनोमस्थानं
सुमन
दृढ
संघा समुद्यन्मनो
मस्थानं
मस्थानं
दृढभक्तिरज्जु सहितं
दृढभक्तिरज्जु सहितं दृढभक्तिरज्जु सहितं
कृत्वा मथित्वा ततः
कृत्वा मदित्वा ततः कृत्वा मदित्वा ततः
सोमं कल्पतरुं
सोमं कल्पतरुं सोमं कल्पतरुं
सुपर्वसुरभिं
सुपर्वसुरभिं सुपर्वसुरभिं
चिन्तामणिं धीमताम्
चिन्तामणिं धीमतां चिन्तामणिं धीमताम्
नित्यानन्दसुधाम्
नित्यानन्दसुधां नित्यानन्दसुधां
निरन्तरमा सौभाग्यमातन्वते
निरन्तररमा सौभाग्यम् आतन्वते निरन्तररमा सौभाग्यम् आतन्वते
प्राक् पुण्याचलमार्गदर्शिता
ఇది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేదండి 37
ఇది కూడా చేసేస్తాం చేస్తా
ప్రాక్ పుణ్యాచల మార్గదర్శిత ప్రాక్ పుణ్యాచల మార్గదర్శిత
సుధామూర్తి ప్రసన్న శివ
సుధామూర్తి ప్రసన్న శివ సుధామూర్తి ప్రసన్న శివ
సోమ సద్గణసేవితో
సోమః సద్గుణ అండి గణ
సద్గణ
ఓ సద్గణ ఓకే
సద్గణ
సోమ
సేవితో
సద్గణ సేవితో సోమః సద్గణ సేవితో
మృగధర పూర్ణ తమోమోచక
మృగధరః పూర్ణాస్తమో మోచకః మృగధరః పూర్ణాస్తమో మోచకః
చేతః పుష్కరలక్షితో భవతి
చేతః పుష్కరలక్షితో భవతి చేతః పుష్కరలక్షితో భవతి
చేదానందపాథో నిధి
చేద్ ఆనందపాదో నిధిః చేద్ ఆనందపాదో నిధిః
చేతః పుష్కరలక్షితः భవతి చేత్ ఆనందపాథో నిధి ప్రాగల్భ్యేన విజృంభతే
ప్రాగల్భేన విజృంభతే ప్రాగల్భేన విజృంభతే
విజృం సుమనసాం వృత్తిస్తదా జాయతే
సుమనసాం వృత్తిస్తదా జాయతే సుమనసాం వృత్తిస్తదా జాయతే
సో హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రీవియస్ వన్ Ambudhi, I told you that it is a churning. Samudra Mathana episode is being remembered, and it has given Visham at the same time Amrutam, and with that Amrutam, the gods have become constant and rich and powerful. So, how do you get this knowledge? You must read all the scriptures very thoroughly and try to catch the impression that this particular book gives you this. So you must gather a knowledge like that. So because you can't get total knowledge, because knowledge is an ocean. And to get that kind of adaratva from Lord Shiva, especially referring to the sacred feet of Shiva, they say that there will be Sarira. Sarira has got some dharmas and they have got to be observed. Therefore, here they tried to churn the ocean and they made the bhuloka or ground as the foundation for the altar. Then the walls must come up. It will take its own time. So like that, here also, Asthanam Dhrudabhakti Rajju Sahitam Krutva Masitvata, then Somam Kalpataram Suparvasurabhim Om Chintamani Dhira Dhimatam Nityananda Sudham Nirantara Nirantara Rama Saubhagyam Bhagavatinvate. So Nirantaram Asau Vilpere వాళ్ళందరూ కలిసి సౌభాగ్యాన్ని కాపాడమని చేస్తుంటారు. You see, there is a difference between the Saubhagyavati or Sukruta and Chintamani Digulata. Then when they churn like that, the ocean, there will be Kala Kuta Kalvisha Parisha. It is just like Kalpataru, desire yielding one, because ball will be running differently and you should so manage that you don't will lose the grip of your Jahangir. So, like that. And also Somam Kalpatarum Suparva Surabhim Chintaamanim Dhimatam. So Dhimatam Chintaamanim Suparva Surabhim and Kalpatarum Somam. So when you get that kind of anugraha of Paramatma directly implied into our selves or the puja dravyas, then you will be really making the Paramatma chink. Vasudham Nirantara Rama Saubhagya Matanvata. So Rama Saubhagya is mentioned. What is that? Nirantara Rama Saubhagyam. You know, when you talk about that, so Nityananda Sudham Nirantaram Ramasau Paramagam Sahidam Veda. So the result is Suparva Surabhim Kalpatarum. Suparva is has got the fragrance of the, and Chintamanim Dhimatam. She has already on Chintamani, she will place it before, they will place the Chintamani before her. It has got its own history. And because of the Chintamani effect, Baba is able to stand inside with such great devotion. So, now, the next sloka is 38. Dharmo me chaturasrakaha.
Dharmo me chatur angrikaha.
Chaturangika. Sucharitastapam vinasangatam.
38 అర్థం చెప్పలేదండి.
38.
Oh, I'm going to next one. Now let's go to this sloka. Prat punya achala margadarshita sudha murtihi prasannaha shivaha. What kind of personality is the great Shiva? Is a question mark. But here, Shivaha prasannaha. Shivaha sudha murtihi. Shivaha prat punya achala margadarshi. All these things are epithets are describing Shiva. Further, Somaha Sadgana Sevitaha Mrugadharaha Purnaha Tamo Mochakaha Chetaha Pushkarakshita. Then Pragalbhyena Vijrumbhate Sumanasam Prutihi Tatha Jayate Chetaha Pushkaralakshito Bhavati. That is, Pushkaras are the very pleasant celebrations to gods in the temples. every time. Therefore, the mind is responsible there. The external embellishments are one, but the inner embellishment, or that is the mind. Therefore, Chetaha, the Chaitanya Shakti is there inside. So Chetaha, Sadguna Sevitaha. So those people who have got good qualities, that is being urging relevant people to come and show honor to you. Then do Sudha Murtihi Prasannaha. So now she became little disturbed, and now she is Tamo Mochaka. See, Sadgana Sevito Mrugadharaha Purnaha Tamo Mochakaha Chetaha Pushkara Lakshitaha Bhavati. Chidam Chet Ananda Patho Nitihi Pragba Pragalbhyena Vijrumbhate Sumanasam Vrittihi Tada Jayate. So Sumanasam Andre means all good people, gods, their vritti will be like that. And we got Prag Punya, Paschat Punya, and Punya. Prag Punya is Purva Punya. Before we are born, we must have a load of Punya. And that's why it's called a Prag Punya, Prastuta Punya, and then Punya, Purva Punya. So this is a Prag Punya Achala Marga Darsi. This is a mountainous Achala Marga, that is constant pathway. Sudha Murti, Paramatma Shiva will point out the Marga, Sanmarga, like that. That happens because of the Prag Punya. Prasannaha Shiva, Somaha Chandraha, Sadgana Sevitaha, Mrugadharaha, Purnaha, Tamo Mochakaha. So how about the Chandra? Chandra is Sadgana Sevitaha. Sadgana means Rishis. See, all Maharshis, all Rishis, all eminent spiritualists, all of them will revere Sadgana Sevitaha. And is a Mrugadharaha. He is bearing the stick that of a Mruga or a deer. So these are all metaphorical expressions. Mrugadharaha. And moreover, even though these are there, but he is a Tamo Mochaka. He will remove the darkness. He will remove all the sins, and he will make himself pure. So, Purnaha Tamo Mochakaha. And Chetaha Pushkara Lakshitaha Bhavati. Chet Ananda Patho Nidhihi. In case these conditions are fulfilled, then he will be having the absolute Ananda. Ananda Patha Nidhi. And Pragalbhyena Vijrumbhate Sumanasam Vrittihi Tada Jayate. I think we stop here, Amma, because actually sleeping. We stop here and we continue next. How today any program for you in Atlanta? I don't know. People have not come, doesn't matter. So anyway, I will again repeat these slokas in next class, so that we can get the better understanding it more. Om Tat Satu.
Om Tat Satu.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Matrucharanaravindarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Matrucharanaravindarpanamastu.
Om Tat Satu.
Om Tat Satu.
Shivam,
Thank you, and
Shivam Shantam,
शिवं शान्तं
Jagannatham,
जगन्नाथं
Jagannatham,
Jagannatham,
Lokanugraha Hetukam,
लोकानुग्रह हेतुकम्
Lokanugraha Sikaraya Namo Namaha.
विकाराय नमो नमः.
So Shiva, we just started with Vakara, Vandana. Now we stop with Sikara. Shiva he becomes.
thank you, and
Yeah, thanks, Andy.